In June of 2020, a few months into the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, Arika was 30 weeks pregnant with her first child when she knew something was wrong.
One day she said she felt the baby was hardly moving, and she reached out to the doctors. They asked her to come to the hospital. She went to the hospital. They decided they would keep her, and she stayed there for a couple of weeks. And then on June 16th, she had the baby. They did an emergency C-section, and Jai was born. They had him in the NICU. We came home, and every day we would go visit the baby. She had a little episode, and one thing led to the next. We ended up in the ER, and a couple of hours after that, she was dead.
In February, the CDC released new data on pregnancy-related deaths for mothers. Those numbers fell for white, Hispanic, and Asian women, but the mortality rate for Black women continues to rise.
There's nights I go to bed and I'm just, trying to, is this really happening? Because it's hard to believe it sometimes.
How did you maybe take what you've learned and use that for like the birth of your own daughter?
We definitely made sure we got a doula, and that was a major help for us, because as much as I knew about my sister's situation, I didn't know much about pregnancy.
According to a 2023 study from Nova Southeastern University, doula care and perinatal care was significantly correlated with positive delivery outcomes, including reduced cesarean and premature deliveries. Access to doulas is something the Trim family wants more Black women to have. They established the Arika Trim Foundation that works to educate Black women about the risks of maternal mortality and also to raise money for doula support.
Last year, we were able to sponsor our first mother with doula services, and that was like beyond words, to be able to provide that support.
Ready?
And as they now raise Arika's now 5-year-old son, they continue to push forward, turning their forever pain into focused purpose in memory of their loved one, who they know is watching over them from above.
The person Arika was, she wouldn't want us just to, let her death be in vain.
We as a culture, we as a people have to raise up, and we have to fight. We are in the fight for our lives, for our children, for our grandchildren. Because like you just said, it's improving in all other sectors but us. And this is what it's saying: nobody would do it for us but us.